Okay, this is how to get a spare tire off your car for 2014 Dodge Durango. So the spare tire is underneath. So you want to go to the trunk, open this back hatch, take this mat out, and right here is a hole. Pop that out. Open up your spare tire thing. Okay. You're gonna want this part of the square end. It's gonna go right on this square nut. Put your tire iron on. Spin counterclockwise. Okay. And you'll see the tire slowly fall. Okay, so once that's down, I believe there's these 3 clips that have to come out. And this will come push down, and you'll turn it sideways and it'll come out through the center. And do the same way to put it back on. Line those holes up and just lift it up until you can't go no more. And that's how you do it.